HOD Department of Science at Biyani Group of Colleges. On behalf of Guru KPO, welcome you all. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on photoperiodism. Photoperiodism is a plant process which helps in the flowering. The term photoperiodism is derived from two Greek words, photos and periods, which means light and length of time. It was studied by Garner and Allard, 1920. They introduced the term photoperiod. Photoperiod means the favorable length of day needed for the flowering. Plants require relative length of day and night. Now, the question arises, what is the critical day length? It indicates photoperiod needed by a plant to induce its flowering. Now, we come to this diagram. On the basis of 24-hour cycle of light and dark period, plants are categorized into three categories. One is called long day plant and another is called short day plants. Another category is called day neutral plants. Long day plants, they require a long light and they produce flower only when the day length exceeds the critical value. And the short day plants require a short period of light and they produce flower only when the day length doesn't exceed a critical value. And last category is the day neutral plant. These plants remain unaffected by the day length. Now we come to this diagram. This diagram shows that the long day plants require a long duration of light. If we give the 16 hours of light period and 8 hours of dark period. If we interrupt the dark period with light, it will show flowering. And if the dark period is interrupted by a brief flash of light, it will show flowering. And they can flower under the short period. It is followed by a short dark period. They show best flowering under the continuous light. This diagram shows that they show best flowering under the continuous light. From the above, it becomes clear that in these plants, flowering is not determined by the length of day, but determined by length of the night. And hence, these plants are called short night plants. Examples are Avena sativa, Raphanus sativus, and so on. Next category is the short day plants. In these plants, flowering enhances on exposure to photoperiod shorter than the critical day length. They need a long period of uninterrupted darkness. The dark period should be longer than the critical day length and it will produce flowers if they have been given 8 hours of light followed by 16 hours dark period. If their dark period is interrupted by light, it will not show flowering. These plants, the dark period is more important than the light periods. Hence, they are called long night plants. Examples are Chrysanthemum, Chenopodium, Euphorbia, Nicotiana tabacum. Our next category is the day neutral plants. These plants do not need a specific photoperiod to produce flowering. They are also called intermediates or the photoneutrals. Examples are Gossypium, Helianthus and Lycopsychon. For more video lectures and study material, log on www.gurukpo.com. Thank you.